This cute little kitty's always chilling on that roof. So I just went to the free sexual health clinic, and I don't have HIV. I was able to get a 30-minute finger prick test to determine those results, and that's great. I didn't think I would have HIV or anything else. I hope those tests come back negative, but I'm just being responsible single person in the big city, keeping tabs on things. So it's pretty cool, and I'm out here, and there's some cool shit out here, so let's take a look. You too, me too, buddy. Alright, you think this sign says keep off the grass? Let's check it out here. It's funny because that free health clinic is like the fucking dirtiest place ever. It's just so grimy. It is just fucking nasty in there. But they did have a lot of hand sanitizer, so... Public art, baby. They give you a little goodie bag. Yeah, it's filled with condoms and shit. Officially Keith Haring Foundation collab with the STI clinic, so that's cool. Props to Keith Haring for being a truly visionary, brilliant artist who wanted to bring beautiful art to all the people of the world. Keith Haring used to have his own store in Soho, and it was called the Pop Shop, and I would go there occasionally with my parents. I remember one time my brother was entered in a Magic card tournament, Magic the Gathering, and it took place at this loft directly across the street from the Pop Shop. They have basically everything in there, just cool things with Keith Haring graphics on them. As a kid, it can be a little exciting or scandalous in some ways, where, you know, a lot of it has to do with AIDS and sexual health and condoms, branded condoms and things like that. But he's always supported this kind of thing, and it's cool that the city brings it all back around. And okay, I'm gonna do a clinic goodie bag unboxing. This is all free from the clinic. They had plenty more if necessary. Banana split flavor. Hyper thin. Mint chocolate.